Hey my lovelies, welcome to the future of AI. Alright, so there's this tool I found called GenTube, and if you've ever used something like MidJourney, you're gonna love this. It's an AI image generator, completely free. And honestly, the results are just as cool. But here's the best part, you don't have to pay anything. No credits, no subscriptions. You can create as many images as you want, and it's super quick. Just type what you want to see, and it gives it to you in seconds. But what makes GenTube more fun is that it's not just about generating images. It actually feels like a creative platform, kind of like TikTok or YouTube. You can upload your creations, scroll through what other people are making, download the ones you like, or even remix them. It's honestly just fun to explore. And there's this one feature called Gen Blocks that I'll explain in a bit. It lets you add specific things into your creation in a super smart way. So yeah, if you want to try something new without paying anything, GenTube is 100% worth checking out. Let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, go to their official website. The link is mentioned in the description box. You can also use their mobile app, which is available on the App Store. I've added the link in the description box below, so if you don't feel like using the website, you can simply download the app. It's super easy to set up. Just sign up with your Google account, and you'll be able to explore creations from other users and start making your own images right away. If you prefer mobile, the app is perfect for you. But for this video, I'll be showing everything on my laptop using their website. At the end of the day, you can choose whichever option feels more convenient for you. Just visit the site directly. The link is down below. You can create images for free, no subscription required, and there's no limit. All you need to do is sign up using your Google account or email, whatever you prefer. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Now, simply choose your username. Whatever name you pick, other people will be able to see it. Kind of like setting a username on TikTok or YouTube. So just go with whatever you like, then click Continue. Next, you can also choose your avatar. You can do this by using the blocks option. If you click on the blocks, you'll see some character prompts like vampire, pirate, etc. You can also click here to explore more options like dog, robot, knight. These are all block presets you can use to create your avatar. You can even pick a background or setting along with it. Or, if you want, you can write a custom prompt here. For example, I'm going to write female AI robot with human look and generate it. Now you can see the avatar is generated. You can even regenerate it if you want. It literally takes just a few seconds. Super quick. You can also change your prompt if you're not happy with the result. I really like this one, so I'm going to select it. Just look at how cool it looks. Once you've selected your avatar, click Continue, and you're all set. Just click Get Started. Now, this is the main interface you'll see. Right now, you're on the trending section where you can see all the popular images and art created by other users. You can explore what people are creating. And honestly, some of these images look really good. They give serious MidJourney vibes. And again, the best part? It's all completely free to use. You can even upload your own creations the same way, and they'll appear here for others to see. Now, go to the Create option to start making your own images. Again, here, you can either type your own prompt or use the Blocks section. We'll explore blocks in a minute. But first, let's try generating something using a prompt. I'll type, a cute, gorgeous woman in red clothes, open blonde hair. And you can see, it starts generating instantly, even while I'm still typing. Look at the speed and the result. This is amazing. I love how it turned out. You can also scroll back and view previous versions that it generated. There's this consistent, realistic style that I really love. And yeah, you can save the images too. Now, if you click on the settings icon, you can tweak your image style. For example, I can drag this slider toward realism, and it'll adjust the image to look more realistic. Or if I move it toward watercolor, it adds a nice soft watercolor effect to the image, which looks really good. And it saves each version as you go, so you won't lose anything. If you liked a previous version, you can still access it. Once you're happy, you can regenerate, share, or like the image as well. Now, let's explore the Blocks feature. Blocks are basically shortcut prompts that you can use to build your image. For example, under Subject, I'll choose sunglasses, and now it generates an image with sunglasses. If I click Hat, it adds a hat to the character. Now, let's try a place block. I'll select Japanese garden, and now you'll see it adds that background too. Look here, I've now got 3 blocks added: sunglasses, hat, Japanese garden, and it's reflected in the final image. The woman's wearing sunglasses and a hat, standing in a Japanese garden. You can keep adding more blocks. There's even an emoji section. If you choose any emoji, it adds that emoji's vibe into the image too, like this. You can also change the style from this panel. For example, if I choose 4K Real, the image will generate in a super crisp 4K realistic style. So yeah, you can play around with different blocks and styles and see what works for you. The speed and the results are both seriously impressive. It's generating everything within seconds, and again, no credits needed, no limits. You can create as many images as you want. Now, if you go to Create, you can even add your own custom blocks. Let me show you how. First, select the category. I'll choose Place, then enter the name, and in the description, I'll type Turkey Mosque. Now when I try to add it, it says a block with this name already exists, so I'll just rename it, and now it's been added. Go to my blocks and you'll see all the blocks you've created. Here's the one I just made. Let's try using it. And yep, it worked. It generated an image with a Turkey mosque in the background. You can remove or add as many blocks as you want. Super flexible. Now let's head over to GenStyle. This is where you can create images in different artistic styles. Let's try generating an image. You can also click on Enhance Prompt, and it'll automatically upgrade your prompt to make it more detailed. Like here, I wrote a basic prompt about a cute couple, and it enhanced it into something more vivid and descriptive. You can either select the style from the circle, or pick a preset style from this list here. Now let's write another prompt. I typed a car and then used the Enhance Prompt option. After that, I chose the watercolor style and then switched to cyberpunk. And you can see how amazing the result is. It gave me a very futuristic HD look. I'm honestly in love with this tool. You can just play around and create whatever you want. Amazing! Now go to your profile and you'll find everything here. Your avatar, your creations, all your saved images. Other people can view your work, like it, or even download it. It's like a little portfolio of all the stuff you've made. And if you ever want to change something in an image, just click What to Change, type your new prompt, like Add Sunglasses, and hit Generate. Just like that, the image updates with the new change. Super easy. You can honestly just play around with everything and see what you come up with. It's genuinely fun to use. Oh, and I just got a notification that someone remixed my image. So yeah, that's another cool part. GenTube works kind of like TikTok or YouTube. You can upload your creations, see what others are making, and remix each other's work. And the best part? It's all free and unlimited. So that's GenTube. Right now, it's completely free for everyone. No hidden limits, no sign-up fees, nothing. And with how creative and fun it already is, I wouldn't be surprised if they bring in monetization later on, kind of like YouTube or TikTok. Imagine actually earning from your creations here someday. So don't wait, just go make an account, start playing around, and post your stuff. You never know, you might just get in early on something big. Thanks for watching. Now go create.